Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Katie Shindig, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I'm Katie. Nice to meet you. For those of you that watched my last video, you know that I'm sick. For those of you that didn't, hi, I'm sick, but slowly getting better. Been to the doctor. Woo! Today I have a Nadine West clothing subscription unboxing for you guys. I'm really excited for this because Nadine West has very quickly become my absolutely favorite subscription box. I just feel like the clothes are the best, they're the best quality, and they're the most affordable prices. And they send you like a reasonable amount of stuff that like, it feels good, like you're gonna get at least one thing that you want, and then you can just send the rest back. So yeah, they also send jewelry in here. I'm not always the biggest fan of jewelry. I will say I am wearing a pair of their earrings right now though. I don't think y'all can see them. They had a dangly back, but I didn't like that, so I took it off. So before we get into the unboxing, I'm going to answer some questions about my style profile that I get asked commonly that I don't normally address. The outfits that fit my style, I chose classic and trendy. For what I mainly need, I selected tops, bottoms, dresses, and scarves, but I don't want scarves, so I'm going to uncheck that. For jewelry that fits my style, it doesn't let me choose not jewelry, so I went with classic and romantic because trendy, vintage, I want like dainty jewelry if I'm going to wear jewelry. So I mainly need earrings, necklaces, and bracelets. I'm going to uncheck necklaces. And then I typically wear, I put stripes, animal print, abstract, and solids. And colors I will not wear, I hit red. And then I just put in my sizes. I did a size small, 2 to 4 for a top size. For a bottom size, I did extra small, 0. For areas I want to conceal, I didn't hit anything. Metals that I love, I selected gold. I'm all about gold jewelry. I don't like silver. My usual budget for a top is less than $25. My usual budget for jewelry is less than $25. And that is what I have in for my style profile. So, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. If you decide that you want to try Nadine West, I will have a link down below that if you click on, you'll get free shipping. So if you want to try Nadine West and get free shipping, I recommend you click the link below. Okay, so we open it up. And we have the bag. Normally it's wrapped in pink tissue paper, but that makes a big mess. And now it's in a bag with a sticker that says Nadine West, and I like that a lot more. And then of course I have my return shipping label. To return it, I just put whatever I don't want back in this bag and tape it closed, and then stick this label over the label that's already on here. Now let's unbox. So, the first thing I'm pulling out of the bag is this. Ooh, this is so cute. It's a tank top. It's kind of like haltery, and it's like bumblebee striped, black, white, and yellow. Oh, this is so cute. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I don't know how much this costs because it doesn't say on the tag, and for some reason I don't have my paper that tells me. I didn't get it, so this will be interesting. But I got this top. I think it's super cute. I can't wait to try that on. I think I'll probably keep that. Oh, here's all of my jewelry. I will probably send all that back, but we'll look at that in a second. It was wrapped in this, black dress. It just looks like a everyday black simple dress to me, like it might be a little bit tight. It's by the brand Zena Premium LBD. I'm pretty excited to try that on too. I think it might actually look really good. Okay, and then out of that fell the jewelry. This is not always my favorite. I normally always send the jewelry back, but we got this necklace. I will definitely send this back. And then I got some earrings that I will definitely be sending back. They are just these leaves. And then I actually like these ones. These dainty gold hoops. I actually like these earrings and I think I might keep them. Next, we have this. I really hope this is a skirt. It is! Oh man, this isn't what I thought it was. Okay, here we have this skirt. Or is it a skirt? It's a skirt. I was really excited about this. I thought it would be like a cute schoolgirl look. And then I saw the asymmetrical bottom, and I'm not really a fan of that. I'm still going to try this on, but I don't think that I will be keeping it. Next, we have a top. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so next we have this top. It has like this shiny sequin top, and then it just has like puffy bell sleeve things, and then it's like all flowy. Oh my gosh, this is so girly and cute. And then we have a black shirt. Okay, next we have this black open shoulder top with like the ribbons. I think it's like semi-cropped. I don't think it's like really a crop top, but I think it hit right at the top of your jeans. I don't know if I'm a fan of that shape of shirt, but I'm sure we will find out. And then next, we have a pair of But I Love You So jeans. So I guess they're supposed to help enhance your butt. But I Love You. High-rise butt lifting jeans. The tag even says, But I Love You. I wonder if this really works. I'm so excited to try this. Okay guys, so I tried on the shorts and sadly they don't fit me. They're just a little bit big here. Like, they're just a little bit big everywhere. Even on the butt. And I don't really see much butt lifting happening. So I think that I will be sending these shorts back. Okay guys, so trying on this tank top, I actually really like it. I like the pattern, I like the cut. I think it's super cute with just like a pair of jeans or shorts. So I think that I'm going to be keeping this shirt. Okay guys, so trying on this girly shirt, I think with a pair of skinny jeans and sandals, this will be so cute just for like a night out, like on a date or something, like where you just want to feel like pretty. Like, I really like this shirt, and I don't think that this shirt is probably more than $25, so I think that I will be keeping this shirt. Okay guys, so after trying on this LBD little black dress, I think that it is so cute. I think that it covers like a very good amount of your body, but it's still sexy. Like, I still feel like I look really good in this dress, you know, like I'm gonna turn some heads. So I think that I will be keeping this dress. I would probably guess this dress is in the $20 to $25 range from Nadine West, but the quality feels amazing. Like, it's like hugging me. I think that Nadine West quality is kind of like a step above Forever 21, like maybe more similar to American Eagle, but for Forever 21 prices. So I think that I really like this dress. And I think that I will definitely be keeping it, and I will definitely be wearing this out. Okay guys, so I just tried on the black shirt and the weird plaid asymmetrical skirt. I don't like either of them. The top is just not my style. I think it's a little bit short. The skirt is like too big, first of all. It should be up here. And then I need it to be like 10 inches tighter. And also, like, I just wish this wasn't here. You know, like, what if I could just look like this? I feel like this looks so much cuter than this. Okay guys, so that is it for this YouTube video. I hope that you enjoyed, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you would like to keep seeing me, then please hit the subscribe button and ring the little notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload. Any other videos you would like to see from me, please comment them down below and let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!